Hey friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to my channel that is fond of chemistry. Myself, your favorite Krutibash Ray, and now we are going to discuss about a new topic that is based upon your 12th chemistry, and your based upon CHSE and the CBSE syllabus, that is fond of chemistry, and the topic is haloalkane and haloarene. Let's discuss about haloalkane and haloarene. And then again, I am reminding you another thing, that in the end of the video, please like, share and subscribe more and more for exciting videos. Let's start the topic about haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. First discuss what is haloalkane, how haloalkane is formed, and then how haloarene is formed. All of you know that there are some saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. What is saturated hydrocarbon? Saturated hydrocarbon means that included only alkane group. You know the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. It means the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. The haloalkane is formed by the haloalkane is formed by the replacement of one hydrogen atom by an halogen group. Replacement of one hydrogen atom by one halogen group. All the halogen groups are given by the symbol X. There are halogen groups are chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. These are the halogen groups in the periodic table. Now we can see how haloalkane is formed, where from alkane haloalkane is formed, that is CnH2n plus 2 by the removal of one hydrogen atom minus H and the addition of one halogen group, that is X. Now the formula is CnH2n plus 1 and one halogen group is attached, that is X. By the removal of one hydrogen atom and at that place one halogen group is attached, that is haloalkane is formed. Haloalkane is formed. All of you know that the haloalkane is formed by the replacement of one hydrogen atom. At that place one halogen group is attached to the hydrocarbon, that is alkane, and haloalkane is formed. Now we can see an example of haloalkane. Example, that is example, you can see an example, that is, let's take the methane group. Methane. The structure of methane is there are 4 hydrogen atom attached to the carbon atom, that is methane. Here if we remove one hydrogen atom and at that place we add one halogen group, that is let chlorine. Now one hydrogen atom is replaced, at that place one chlorine group is attached and it forms one haloalkane, that is chloromethane. This is named as chloromethane. Likewise, all the haloalkanes are formed by the replacement of one hydrogen atom with a halogen group, that is haloalkane. This haloalkane is divided into different categories, that is on the basis of halogen groups. On the basis of halogen groups, haloalkanes are divided into different categories. On the basis of halogen groups. That is, these are categorized into different types. Number one is monohalogen derivatives. Monohalogen derivatives. That is, second one is dihalogen derivatives. Third one is trihalogen or polyhalogen derivatives. More than di, trihalogen, tetrahalogen, these are included under polyhalogen derivatives. These three are the classification of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes are classified on the basis of halogen groups, that is monohalogen derivatives, dihalogen derivatives and trihalogen derivatives. First is monohalogen derivatives. What is monohalogen derivatives? Now, if one halogen group, that is X atom, one halogen atom or group attached by the replacement of one hydrogen atom, then monohalogen derivative is formed. If one halogen group, अगर एक halogen atom किसके प्लेस में रहेगा ना, एक हाइड्रोजन एटम के प्लेस में रिप्लेसमेंट होगा, तो ये मोनोहालोजन डेरिवेटिव फॉर्मेशन करेगा. तो लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल ऑफ मोनोहालोजन डेरिवेटिव. The example of monohalogen derivatives. Example. What is the example of monohalogen derivatives? We can take an example of ethane. CH3, CH3. This is ethane. Replacement of one hydrogen atom minus H and the addition of one halogen group, that is X. You can take any halogen group. Replacement of one hydrogen atom, you can remove any of the hydrogen atom of the alkane group. Then here I remove this hydrogen atom and attach this X group in the place of this hydrogen atom. Then it is formed haloalkane, that is ethyl chloride, or it is named as chloroethane, This is haloethane. If we take chlorine group in the place of halogen atom, then it becomes chloroethane, or it is commonly known as ethyl chloride. This is monohalogen derivatives, means one halogen group is attached. It is comes under monohalogen derivatives. Now we see dihalogen derivatives. Dihalogen. What is dihalogen derivatives? Now if we take two halogen groups replaced by two hydrogen atoms, then dihalogen derivative is formed. Let's see an example of methane, CH3 CH4, that is methane, and if we remove two hydrogen atom, here one is hydrogen atom and another hydrogen atom I removed, and attached two halogen groups, 2x, then it forms CH here X, here X. This is the dihaloalkane. This is dihaloalkanes. If we remove two hydrogen atom and attach two halogen group in the place of that two hydrogen atom, then dihalogen derivative is formed. Likewise, trihalogen derivative or polyhalogen derivative are formed. Polyhalogen derivatives. More than two halogen groups, more than two halogen groups are replaced by hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atoms means if we replace three halogen groups, then it is trihalogen derivatives. Trihalogen derivatives. And if we replaced four halogen groups, then it is tetrahalogen derivatives. Now all of you understand what is dihalogen, what is tetrahalogen, what is monohalogen derivatives. This is under the classification of monohalogen, dihalogen, trihalogen and tetrahalogen derivatives. Now let's go through the nomenclature of haloalkanes. How haloalkanes are named in the basis of IUPAC system. In the basis of IUPAC. In the basis of IUPAC system, what is the formula of IUPAC? What is the full name of IUPAC? That is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. That is the full name of IUPAC. How haloalkanes or alkyl halides are named? We know the general formula of haloalkane is CnH2n plus 1 and one halogen atom is attached, that is X. Here the suffix is named as alkyl halide, and prefix that is used as a substituent, that is halo, HALO. Generally, halogen means that this halogen group is used as substituents, means prefix. In the IUPAC system, this halogen group, that is chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine, these halogen groups are used as substituent, means it is used as a prefix in the IUPAC system naming. How this is named? We know in the 11th course, we know the naming IUPAC system naming of all the organic compounds. I am telling you again that all the organic compounds are named in the formula that is prefix plus word root plus suffix, and that suffix included, that is two types of suffix there are. One is primary suffix, that is ane, ene and yne. For alkane ane, for alkene ene, for alkyne yne. For alkane there is single bond, for alkene there is double bond, and for alkyne there is triple bond. And the secondary suffix is secondary suffix. The secondary suffix is all the functional groups, all the functional groups that may be alcohol, that may be aldehyde, that may be ketone, that may be acid, all the functional groups that are included under suffix. Also, the halogen groups are also included under suffix. All of you know the word root that are meth, eth, prop, these are etc. are the word roots, like on the basis of carbon atom. If one carbon atom, that is meth; if two carbon atom, that is eth; if three carbon atom, that is prop; and four carbon atom, that is but; and five carbon atom, that is pent. This prefix is used before the word root, that are maybe the alkyl groups are always used as the prefix. Alkyl groups are always used as the prefix. This is the total formula of naming an IUPAC system. This is the best formula you can find ever. How to rename or how to name an carbon chain, an organic compound. By this formula you can name all the organic compounds. Let's see how haloalkanes are named on the basis of IUPAC system. This system, how the haloalkanes are named. Let's see an example. We are taking an example, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. I am taking a straight chain example, a simple example. First, longest carbon chain is selected. This is the longest carbon chain. This is total is the longest carbon chain. How we named? You named from this side or this side. First of all, see where the halogen group or the substituent or the functional group is attached. जहाँ पे जिस साइड में एक फंक्शनल ग्रुप और सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटैच होगा उस साइड से आप नेमिंग करोगे. तो फ्रॉम दिस साइड the naming will be started, and this carbon atom gets the first priority, and this carbon atom is attached to the halogen group named as first carbon atom, gets the first priority. So we named the carbon chain from this side, from right hand side, and there are three carbon atoms. So first select the word root of the carbon chain, that is three carbon atom means prop. Here there is a single bond between all the atoms. All the carbon atoms are attached by single bond. So the suffix is primary suffix, that is suffix is ane, means single atom. Now there is a chlorine group, halogen group, that named as either prefix, it is named as chloro. If we name according to the suffix, then it is chloride, and alkyl chloride is named as a suffix. Here I write that alkyl halide is named as suffix. Alkyl means three carbon atom, that is based on the three carbon atom the name will be propyl, and the halogen group is named as IDE, propyl chloride. You can take by using suffix, that is named as propyl chloride. And if we name on the basis of a prefix chloro, then first prefix is attached. First you can write prefix chloro, then word root is prop, chloro, prop, and here single bond is attached. There is no secondary suffix. The single bond is ane. The name is chloropropane. This is the IUPAC system naming. You can also name other groups
other IUPAC naming of haloalkane. Let's take another example of haloalkane. Another example I am taking that this is CH2 double bond CH bond CH CH3 CH Cl CH3. Now here you name the first, you have to select the carbon chain, longest carbon chain. From this side you can take, this is the prefix, and you name, you see that the prefix will, the number of carbon atom will be less and the number of carbon atom will be get first priority by the selecting the longest carbon chain. जिस साइड में आप सिलेक्ट करोगे देखोगे कि क्या ना, आप जो साइड से सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं कार्बन चेन, लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन, कौन सा कार्बन चेन जो प्रीफिक्स या फंक्शनल ग्रुप कंटेन करता है, जो कि फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी पाता है, फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी लेता है, और वो भी लेस नंबर ऑफ कार्बन आटम को लेकर. तो यहाँ पे अगर इस साइड से हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे तो 1 2 3 4 5 3 carbon atom containing one alkyl group, methyl group, and 4 carbon atom containing one halogen group, that is functional group. And from this side if we name 1 2 3 4 5, there is 2 carbon atom containing the functional group, chlorine group, halogen group. So this from this side 4 carbon atom and from this side 2 carbon atom. So the longest carbon chain is from this side, means 1 2 3 4 and 5. From this side we select the longest carbon chain. Now here we can find the total number of carbon atom in the longest carbon chain or parent chain is 5, means the word root is pent. And here there is a primary suffix, that is double bond. Here one double bond is 4 and 5 carbon atom, between 4 and 5. So the primary suffix is ene. Now we name the total carbon chain, that is formula is, I have told you already, the formula is prefix, word root, and then suffix. If we take this group and this group as a prefix, then the word root will be named. Here there is 2 carbon atom is attached to a chlorine and 3 carbon atom is attached to a methyl group. जितने भी प्रीफिक्स रहेगा वो उसमें कोई मतलब नहीं, आपको नेमिंग करना है सब प्रीफिक्स को अल्फाबेटिकली ऑर्डर नेमिंग करना है. तो क्या करेगा, अगर हम अल्फाबेटिकली ऑर्डर नेमिंग करेंगे, इफ यू चूज द नेमिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द अल्फाबेटिकली ऑर्डर, देन द फर्स्ट इज क्लोरो, देन आफ्टर दैट इज मिथाइल. तो द फर्स्ट का नेमिंग इज 2 क्लोरो. Remember, you will write the number that is attached to the prefix groups, 2 chloro, then number 3 methyl, chloromethyl, according to alphabetically order. That is prefix is over, prefix work is done. Then go to word root. Here word root is pent, because the longest carbon chain contains 5 carbon atom, that is pent. And after that select the primary suffix. There is no secondary suffix, no functional group, so select the primary suffix. Primary suffix is ene, and this ene attached to the 4 carbon atom, starting from 4 carbon atom, so that is 4 ene. This is the total IUPAC naming of this carbon chain haloalkane. All of you understand the IUPAC naming of this haloalkane group. Now your homework is, you can write all the names of these questions and practice all the questions related to haloalkanes, how to name according to their IUPAC system. Practice all the name of these groups and write all the questions. Practice all these namings, and if you have any doubt, then ask me in the comment box, and you can also ask your doubts through your email. I am giving you my email address in the description box. Go to the description box, and if you have any doubt, then contact me and ask me. Before ending this video, this video is all about the classification and the IUPAC naming of a haloalkanes, that is the basic introduction of a haloalkanes. Before ending this video, I will request all of you, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is all about for education, and sometimes it's all about some inspiring contents, that is, and share this video to all your friends, juniors, and all your friends, juniors, and all of your friends to subscribe this channel and like more and more for exciting videos, exciting contents regarding your 11th and 12th chemistry topic. You can ask your doubts, I will solve your doubts. Thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe this channel more and more. Thank you to all of you.